are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
For this video, I will be showing you guys this new wig that I got from Megalook Hair. We're gonna install her, review her, style her, all of that. So let's get into it. With your wig, they do send you a gift bag. On the inside we have a, okay, you know what, let me just go ahead and open it and show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So they send you a melt band. You also get some stocking caps. You also get some lashes. Let me see if these are like the cheap looking ones. Just as I thought, these are not too bad, but it's still the plastic looking ones. You also get a edge brush, and this is a little barrette. So I did get their burgundy wig in a 24-inch. It is a body wave texture, as you guys can see. Super nice. Let me show you guys what the hairline is looking like. So that is what the hairline is looking like. As you guys can see, it does come pre-plucked for you. And it is a frontal. I haven't done a frontal in a while. Alright, I'm holding up this wig, and off rip you can tell that the lace is too yellow. It looks very ashy. If I put this against my skin, it's going to look really white. So I don't even need to try it first. I'm just going to go in with my lace tints. I'm using the Evan tinted lace. This one is in the color medium dark brown. I'm just going to spray this all over my lace. Alright, y'all, that looks a little better. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. It is a body wave texture unit. The hair is soft. This is a 24-inch, but I don't know, for some strange reason it kind of looks shorter than my usual 24 inches. Maybe that's just me, but it looks kind of short. All right, let's go ahead and style this hair.
But the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I found me a new foundation. Yeah. Singing my new salvation. My own foundation. Yeah. You won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody.
stay with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time that we're together. Come make us just love you. Hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but everything gon' hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
Bang 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 bang. Tossy young say.
And the town's the big lord.
Say now. Say me I love you to the max, me no lie. But things them a talk me no buy. Girl, you make me feel butterfly. Every night and day me love always multiply. You are the ways that make a Batman fly. Me a tick blue for you verify. Girl, come in and me at occupy. Make Rasta boy to see young satisfied now. Intoxicating me. Everything a fresh and clean. Chocolate girl with a spotless skin. You make all the man them hit them a spin now. Intoxicating me. Everything a fresh and clean. Chocolate girl with a spotless skin. You make all the man them hit them a spin now. Me love you, me love you. Me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you. No other girl above you. No girl can take the place you have in my life.
And this wig is from Megalook here. This is so beautiful. I'm so feeling this. I'm loving the burgundy color. You know what's so crazy? Throughout the entire summer I was like, oh, I want to do a burgundy wig. Some of them came and done and I still have not touched a burgundy wig. So yeah, I got her just in time for the fall. The wig is bomb. She looks so good. I'm really impressed with the hair. The hair is really soft and silky. It does have like a really nice luster to it. Also, like I said, I did get mine in a 24-inch. Not the longest 24-inch I've seen before, but it's still pretty long, I would say. I just feel like it's not that, I don't know. I've got 24 inches that was like really long before, so I don't know. So also, I was thinking some layers would make this hair look so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and add some layers on this side. I'm not gonna add too much just because I do sell my wigs after my reviews and I don't want to chop it up too much. But yeah, ooh, she is gorgeous. I love this color. It just looks so bomb. This is so gorgeous, you guys. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the wig. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I highly recommend it. It's not my first time working with this company. I have worked with them before, so I know that their quality is really good. I'm in love with this burgundy. I'm about to go take some pictures because the hair just looks that good. The color, everything is just like eating right now. I will have all their details to where you guys can find this exact wig linked down below in the description box. If I do have a discount code, that will be linked down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the hair. How are you guys feeling this? And I will catch you guys in my next one. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sick. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit.